Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to leave an ESPN Fantasy League. So if you joined the wrong league, accidentally created a team, or simply don't want to participate anymore, then this guide will show you how to remove yourself. First, open the ESPN Fantasy Sports app or visit the ESPN Fantasy website on your browser. Next, log into the ESPN account connected to your fantasy team. After signing in, go to your fantasy football section and select the league you want to leave. And once you open the league, look for the menu option. Depending on your device, this may appear as a setting icon, league menu, or team management option. Next, open the league settings and look for an option related to leaving, deleting, or removing your team from the league. Tap the option and follow the confirmation steps. And before leaving, make sure you're choosing the correct league because leaving a fantasy league can remove your access to that team. So that was how to leave an ESPN Fantasy League. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.